girls and boys, good morning. How are you today? I'm fine, and today I'm doing this video to show you a new art class. In this art class, you are going to draw some animals from the jungle. But how? You are going to draw with your hands. Let's see. Do you have hands? Yes, everybody in the class, you have 2 hands. Okay, today you need paper, white paper, a black marker. If you don't have a black marker, it's okay. You can use a pen or a pencil. That's fine. And then you need some colors. You can use color pencils or markers or crayons, whatever you have in your house, okay? So get everything ready on your table and let's do it! How were your animals? Did you like them? Oh, I love my giraffe, my crocodile, and my snake. I want to see your animals. Please send me a picture. Goodbye, I love you.